In today's procurement and importation tips, I'm going to show you how to know item delivery on 1688 step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step-by-step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to know item delivery date on 1688 China importation. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure we look for our 1688 shopping app, and we open up the app right here. I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Having opened up my 1688 shopping app, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to visit my profile. Then on getting to my profile right here, the item that had not been shipped out is going to be found right here after you have successfully made payment. So let's check them out. All right, so in this regard, for you to know which day and actual period of time the item is going to be shipped, everything is going to be in this section right here. So this will determine if you have the patience to wait for the supplier to deliver at the time that was stated on the order, or you will place a refund for your item if you cannot wait any longer. Now take a look at these items right here. So this item to be shipped out on the 26th of October. And then likewise, this item to be shipped out on 26th of October. So if you know all this, there is no need of you going to disturb the supplier. When are you going to ship my item or whatsoever? So, and this one right here is going to be shipped on the 25th of October at this same time. Okay. And you can scroll down and see more. Now, take a look at this one right here. This one is going to be shipped October 26th. And this one right here is going to be shipped October 25th. Okay. So this is how you know when your item is going to be shipped, most especially if you have successfully make purchase for your item. So you can decide right here if you can wait for the supplier to ship out the item based on the time that was being stipulated on the item on 1688 shopping app. But if you cannot wait based on what the supplier placed right here, it is now your responsibility to place a refund and look for another supplier instead of you waiting for unnecessarily. So this is what I have for you as far as when and how your item is going to be delivered on 1688 shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.